Exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. This is logarithmic topic. In this topic, see, first one, logarithm of 5 to the base 25. Logarithm of 25 can be written as 5 square. This is 1 by 2, logarithm of 5 to base 5. Here, logarithm of a to base a is equals to 1. Therefore, 1 by 2 into 1, which gives the value is 1 by 2. Second one, logarithm of 3 to base 81. Logarithm of 3 to 81 can be written as 3 power 4. 1 by 4 into logarithm of 3 to base 3. Here formula is logarithm of a to base a power m is equals to 1 by m into logarithm of a to base a. Therefore 1 by 4 into 1 is equals to 1 by 4. Third one, logarithm of 1 by 16 to base 2. Logarithm of 16 power minus 1 to base 2. 16 can be written as logarithm of 2 power 4 whole to the power of minus 1 to base 2. Here, logarithm of 2 to the power of minus 4 to base 2. Minus 4 into logarithm of 2 to base 2. Here is equals to minus 4 into 1 is equals to minus 4. Fourth one, logarithm of root x to base x. Logarithm of root x is equals to 1 by x to the power of 1 by 2 to base x. 1 by 2 into log x to the base x is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 is equals to 1 by 2. Fifth one, logarithm of 512 to base 2. Logarithm of 512 to base 2. Logarithm of 2 power 9 to base 2. 9 log 2 to base 2. 9 into 1 is equals to 9. Okay. Next one. Logarithm of 1 to base 7. See, logarithm of 1 to base anything. Logarithm of 1 to base anything. This value is 0. Logarithm of 0.01 to base 10. Base 10. See, logarithm of 0.01 can be written as 1 by 100. This is 10. Logarithm of 10 to the power of minus 2 to base 2. Minus 2 coming to forward. Logarithm of 10 to base 2, which value minus 1 into 2 is equals to minus 2. Logarithm of 8 by 27. Logarithm of 8 by 27 to base 2 to 2 by 3. Logarithm of 2 by 3 whole cube to base 2 by 3. 3 into logarithm of 2 by 3 to base 2 by 3. 3 into 1 gives the value is 3. Logarithm of 2 to logarithm of base 2 to 3. This is 2 square into 2 to the power of logarithm of 3 to base 2. Here formula is a power logarithm of m to base a. This value is m. This is the standard formula. Therefore, 4 into 3, which value gives the 12. Okay. Next one. Write the following expressions as n. Write the following expressions as log n and find their values. Logarithm of 2 to logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of 5 is equals to logarithm of 2 into 5 logarithm of 10 to base 10, which value is 1. Logarithm of 16 to base 2 minus logarithm of 2 to base 2. Logarithm of 16 can be written as 2 power 4 to base 2, logarithm of 2 to base 2, 4 log 2 to base 2 minus log 2 base 2, 4 into 1 minus 1, which value is 3. Logarithm of 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. This value is logarithm of 3 square minus logarithm of 2 cube. Logarithm of 9 minus logarithm of 8. Value is logarithm of 9 by 8. Logarithm of 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. This can be written as logarithm of 2 into 5 minus plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Log 2 plus log 5 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Log 2 getting cancelled. Here log 5 is there, here log 3 square. This is equals to log 5 plus log 9. Okay? Log 5 plus log 9. This is of logarithm of 9 into 5. Logarithm of 45 is the final answer. Next one. Evaluate each of the following terms in terms of x and y. X is equals to logarithm of 3 to base 2 and y is equals to logarithm of 5 to base 2. See, logarithm of 15 to base 2, logarithm of 3 into 5. 15 can be written as 3 into 5 to base 2, logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 5 to base 2. Logarithm of 3 to base 2 value is x, logarithm of 5 to base 2 value is y. Therefore, answer is x plus y. Logarithm of 7.5 to base 2. Logarithm of 7.5 can be written as 5 into 5 into 3 to base 2. Logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 5 to base 2. This is 5 by 10 because here is 7.5 is there na. So here is plus logarithm of 5 by 10 to base 2. This value is x and this value is y, and this can be written as logarithm of 1 by 2. 5 1s are 5 2s are 1 by 2 log 2. Therefore, logarithm of 2 power minus 1 to base 2 minus 1 into logarithm of 2 to base 2 value is minus 1 plus 1. Therefore, minus 1 into plus 1 is equals to minus 1. Next, logarithm of 60 to base 2. Logarithm of 60 to base 2. Logarithm of 60 can be written as 15 4s are to base 2. Logarithm of 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 to base 2. It can be written as logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 5 to base 2 plus logarithm of 2 to base 2 plus logarithm of 2 to base 2. This value is s, this value is y, this value is 1, this value is 1. Which value is x plus y plus 2. Next, logarithm of 6750 to base 2. Logarithm of 6750 to base 2. This can be written as logarithm of 3 cube into 5 cube into c to base 2. This is 3 log 3 to base 2 plus 3 log 5 to base 2 plus log 2 to base 2. This is 3 into x. This is 3 into y plus 1. Okay. Next. Next, expand the following logarithm of 10,000 to base. See, This can be written as logarithm of 10 to the power of 4 to base 2, 4 log 10 to base 10. This is 4 into 1, value is 4. Next one. Logarithm of 128 to base 625. 625. This can be written as logarithm of 2 power 7 to logarithm of 5 power 4. This can be written as logarithm of 2 power 7 minus logarithm of 5 power 4. This is 7 log 2 minus 5 log 4 log 5. 4 log 5. Logarithm of x square y cube z power 4. This can be written as logarithm of x square plus logarithm of y cube plus logarithm of z power 4. This is 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. Next one, logarithm of p square cube by r power 4. This is logarithm of p square into cube minus logarithm of r power 4. Logarithm of p square plus logarithm of cube minus logarithm of r power 4. 2 log p plus 3 log q minus 4 log r. Next, logarithm of z cube by y square. Z cube by y square. Logarithm of z cube whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus logarithm of y square whole to the power of 1 by 2. This is logarithm of 3 by 2 minus logarithm of y. 3 by 2 into logarithm of x. Here is x. Minus logarithm of y. Okay. Next one. Next one. Log x square plus y square is equals to 25xyz. Fifth one. X square plus y square is equals to 25xy. Adding plus 2xy on both sides. Therefore, x square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 27xy. Here x plus y whole square is equals to, this is 3 cube into x into y. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Logarithm of x plus y whole square is equals to logarithm of 3 cube x y. Here is 2 log x plus y, which is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Here is log a b into c is equals to log a plus log b plus log c. Next one. Logarithm of sixth one. Logarithm of x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 into logarithm of x plus logarithm of y. See, this can be written as 1 by 2 into logarithm of x into y, logarithm of xy, logarithm of xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. Now here is log, both are getting cancelled. X plus y by 3 is equals to xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. Squaring on both sides, x plus y by 3 is equals to xy. This is whole square and this is 1 by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Sorry, square. This one getting cancelled. X plus y whole square is equals to 9x y. Here is x square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 9 into xy. X divisible by xy on both sides. Otherwise 2xy coming to this side. X plus y is equals to 9xy minus 2xy. X square plus y square is equals to 7xy. Divisible by xy on both sides. X square by xy plus y square by xy is equals to 7. X square, this one getting cancelled. The x by y plus y by x is equals to, remaining value is 7. 7 is the final answer. Next one. 2.3 whole to the power of x. 2.3 whole to the power of x. 0.23 whole to the power of y is equals to 1000. See, 2.3 whole to the power of x is equals to 10 cube. Here 0.23 whole to the power of y is equals to 10 cube. Okay. Now 2.3 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by x. 0.23 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by y. Now 2.3 can be written as 0.23 by 10. Right? Right? Now 0.23 can be written as 0.23 can be written as 2.3 by 10 base 10. Now 0.23, what is the value of 0.23? 10 to the power of 3 by y. This value is 10 to the power of 3 by x by 10. 10 to the power of 3 by y is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by x here. 3 by x into 10 to the power of minus 1. Now 10 to the power of 3 by y is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by x minus 1. Both sides bases are equal, no? Therefore 3 by y is equals to 3 by x minus 1. 1 coming to this side, 1 is equals to 3 by x minus 3 by y. 1 is equals to, take 3 as a common, 1 by x minus 1 by y. 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by x minus 1 by y. 1 by x minus 1 by y is the final answer. Next one. Eighth one. 2 into x plus 1 is equals to 2 into x plus 1 is equals to 3 into 1 minus x. See, apply log on both sides. Logarithm of 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to logarithm of 3 to the power of 1 minus x. X plus 1 coming to forward, x plus 1 into log 2 is equals to 1 minus x into logarithm of 3. See, x into log 2 plus log 2 is equals to log 3 minus x log 3. Okay. Now x log 2 plus x log 3 is equals to log 3 minus log 2. Take x as a common. X into log 2 into 3 is equals to log 3 by 2. X is equals to logarithm of 3 by 2 by 2 3s are 6. Logarithm of 6 is the final answer. Okay.